Hello and welcome to the 6th Python Coding Challenge. I hope you've enjoyed this series so far. If so, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other episodes. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below. For today's challenge, let's imagine the following scenario. A headmaster wants to organize a school trip according to the following rules. Each teacher should be assigned no more than 20 students. Each small coach can carry 16 passengers and costs £140 per day. And each large coach can carry 46 passengers and costs £360 per day. Assuming that 285 students take part on the school trip and that the trip lasts 3 days, calculate the lowest amount that the headmaster will have to pay for the trip. Also, how many teachers are required? If you need any hints in completing this challenge, don't forget to check out my tutorials and previous coding challenges by clicking on the links in the top right-hand corner of your screen or in the video description. I wish you the best of luck in completing this challenge. Also, I look forward to seeing you next week for the solution. And until then, happy coding!